In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a favorite game mode here in Fortnite so that you can find them quick and easy here in the future. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to favorite a game mode like Lego Fortnite, for example, Rocket Racing, Zero Build, or really any creative map as well, all you will need to do is from the main play screen, scroll down to whatever game mode you want to favorite. For example, let's say that we want to favorite Reload, right? So we'd go ahead and find this on here, select it to go to the game page itself, and then you're going to see the option to favorite it right here. All you have to do is go ahead and favorite it just like so. But what you can also do is hover over it just like so. And as you hover over it, you'll tell that it's favorite by looking at this heart. But you can select this little three dots. And where this currently says unfavorite, you'll also have the option to favorite it. Now, to actually check your favorites, all you need to do is just go to this Discovering tab and go to the Following tab right here. And this is going to show you all the ones that you have favorited. As you can see, I have quite a bit. Some of this stuff was one I live streamed a lot. But it really is as simple as that. That is, you can organize your favorite Fortnite game modes and access them so much faster. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.